Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access TikTok Shop on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and log into your TikTok. After logging in, all you gotta do is click on this profile button which is on the top right corner of your screen and click on Get Coins. And there you go, you'll be redirected to the TikTok Shop. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.